We're back in the same file we shared last lesson. Let's add a small header so we have something concrete to comment on, then look at how feedback works without anyone touching the actual data. Say this number looks off and needs a second pair of eyes. With the cell selected, open Insert and choose Comment. The comment box opens beside the cell, so we can ask a question without changing the underlying data. Once posted, that question is visible to anyone who opens the sheet. A plain comment is just a note. To make sure it doesn't get missed, we can open another comment, mention someone who already has access, and assign it as an action item. Once Sheets recognizes the mention, the Assign to You checkbox appears. Pause on that checkbox, select it, and then assign the task to myself without changing the sheet's sharing permissions. At the top right, pause on the Comments button, then open the Comments panel to see the discussions together. The assigned comment on D5 stays open because it is still someone's task. For the completed B5 question, hover over its checkmark and pause on the Resolve control. Once we resolve it, the discussion disappears from the active list but stays in the history if we ever need to look back. Google Sheets is already saving versions automatically. Open File, pause on Version History, then pause on and choose Name Current Version. We'll label the current value of 4280 as our Lesson 6.2 checkpoint and save it. Then we'll update B5 to 4310, giving us a clear before and after difference to inspect in the next scene. Open File, pause on Version History, then pause on and choose See Version History. The current sheet contains 4310, while the panel on the right includes our named Lesson 6.2 checkpoint. Pause on that checkpoint, then select it to preview the earlier value of 4280. If we clicked Restore, the later change would be overwritten, so we're only comparing, not committing. Finally, pause on the back arrow, use it to return to the current sheet, and confirm that 4310 is still there.